Good morning, students. Last time we saw linear equations in one variable, and that too we saw linear equations having variable on both the sides, and we did one exercise. But applications on that we did not do that exercise. So today we will solve exercise 3.4. That is linear equations having variables on both the sides. So it will be variables on both sides. On both the sides the variables will be there. Problem sums we did not solve. So today I am going to solve the problem sum based on linear equations in one variable where variables will be on both the sides. Let us see the first problem. I am going to write down the first problem. Pay attention. Here it is given. Amina thinks a number and subtracts 5 by 2 and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result obtained is, how much it is? 3 times the same number. 3 times the same number she thought. So let us try to solve. Here what we have to make? We have to make 2 equations on both the sides. Let us see what is given. Amina thinks a number. So solution. So we don't know what is the number. So let the number be x. So Amina thinks a number. What is the number? Let the number be x. And subtracts half from it. Subtracts half from the number. So what it will be? X minus 1 by 2. So the number is x minus 1 by 2. And what she does next? She multiplies the result. The result multiplied by 8. So what she will get? 8 into x minus 1 by 2. Which is, after multiplying with 8, what are the results to obtain is 3 times the same number. So the final result is 3 times the same number. So it will be 3x. X is our number. 3 times is 3x. Means these 2 equations are equal. So what is your equation? So the equation we get is 8 into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3x. See, variables on both the sides. So this is the equation we got. Now let us try to solve it. So what is the number we have to find out? So let us try to solve this equation. Distributive property, already I told you, we have learned in rational number. What is distributive property? 8 should be multiplied with x. Put the minus sign. 8 should be multiplied with 1 by 2. So that we are going to do. So 8 into x minus 8 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3x. 2 and 8 can be cancelled. How many times? 4 times. So what we got? 8 minus 4 is equal to 3x. So here 3x is on right hand side. So that we have to transpose where? Which side? Left hand side. The number is on constant on left hand side. We have to transpose it on right hand side. So transposing 3x on RHS, that is right hand side, and 4 on left hand side, that is minus 4 on left hand side. So what should we get? 8x minus 3x is equal to 4. So how much is 8x minus 3x? It is 5x is equal to 4. Now we have to transpose 5. So transpose 5 on other side. So what shall we get if we transpose 5 on other side? We will get, transposing will get x is equal to 4 by 5. So we got the number. What is the number? The number is 4 by 5. So understood how to do this? So came to know. Now let us go to the second sum. What is the second sum we are going to see is that sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number is 9. Okay. It is found that the resulting new number is greater. The resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. When the number is interchanged. When the number is interchanged, the resulting number is more than 27 by the original number. What is the 2-digit number? What is the 2-digit number? So 2-digit number. Now you have learned in 3rd standard, 4th standard, 5th standard. What is 2-digit number? 2-digit number means what? Unit place will be there or ones place will be there and tens place. For example, 35. This is a 2-digit number. 75, 86, 99. All these are 2-digit numbers. There is ones place and tens place. So we have to here suppose for ones place and tens place. So what is our solution? We will suppose for the tens place. Let the tens place be x. So we have taken tens place as x. Okay. Then the ones place will be 9 minus x. Ma'am, how you got this? Now look here. Sum of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 9. If tens place x is there, we don't know what is there in ones place. This is ones place, this is tens place. And the result is what? 9. So we have to find out what is the ones place digit. So plus x, if I take that side, it will become, so ones place will be 9 minus x. Okay, you know how it is. Tens place I have denoted as x. Ones place I don't know, so I have kept it as gap. Sum of these two, tens place and ones place is 9. So what is really ones place? So x I will take there, so I will get it as 9 minus x. So let the tens place be x, then the ones place will be 9 minus x. So got it what it is? Okay. Now sum of these two. So sum of the digits. So sum of digits is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. This is the sum of the 2 digits we got it. Okay. Now what he says? Interchange. What do you mean by interchange? First we have to understand it. Let me take one example. 35 is given. In tens place 3 is there and in ones place 5 is there. So I can write this as 30. 10 into 3 plus 5. Got it? Interchange means what? What is there in ones place? I am going to shift it to the tens place. What is there in tens place? I am going to shift it to the ones place. So the number became 53. So this I can write it as 10 into 5 plus 3. This is a way of writing in expanded form. So 35, that is tens place is 1, 3 and the ones place is 5. Interchange means what? The ones place will go, the number in the ones place will go to the tens place and the number in the tens place will go to the ones place. So after interchanging the number will become, so here interchange means what? This 9 minus x will go to the in the tens place and x will come to the ones place. So you will get 10 into 9 minus x plus x. This is the interchanged number. What it says, the result is, if you add 27 to this original number, this is the original number. If you add this 27 to the original number, it will become equal to the new number. So after interchange, adding 27, it will become the new number. By adding 27 to original number, it will become new number. So it will become what number? New number. So to what you have to add? To the original number. What is the original number? 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27 is equal to 10 into 9 minus x plus x. So this is your equation. So came to know what it is. This equation is what? Both the side variables are there. Now what shall I do? Here I will take 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27 is equal to 10 nines are 90 minus 10x plus x. Okay. 10x minus x is what? 9x. 27 plus 9. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So it became 36 is equal to minus 10x plus x. Like terms, greater sign is minus. So the answer will be minus 9x. So I am going to take 9x to the left hand side and 36 to the right hand side. So transposing minus 9x on minus 9x to LHS and plus 36 to RHS. So what shall I get now? Let me see. So now you see what is the equation now we will get. It will change. The equation will change now. So what I am going to do? 9x will remain as it is. So that minus 9x will become plus 9x. Is equal to 90 minus 36. 9x plus 9x is 18x. 90 minus 36. 10. 8. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. So how much you got? 54. So 18x is equal to 54. Now what I have to do? I have to transpose. What shall I transpose now? Transposing 18. So transpose 18 to other side. So what shall we get? Let us see. So we will get x is equal to 54 by 18. 18 3s are 54. So x is equal to 3. So what is your original number? So original number is given as what? 10x plus 9 minus x. X is how much? 3. So 10 into 3 plus 9 minus 3. 10 into 3 is 30 plus 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. So the number is 36. So got it how to do? So you have to pay attention when I am doing. Learn and see what is the answer. Write it neatly in your classwork also. So now next is sum. So sum number 3. Shobos mother's present age. Shobos mother's present age is 6 times Shobos present age. So here Shobo and mother is given and the age between them is compared. Came to know Shobo's age 5 years now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So be careful. So here age is given already in other exercise is called the age, but here we have to form two equations on both the sides. So what we'll do, we don't know what is Shobo's age. So let Shobo's age be X years. What is given if mother is how many times? 6 times. If your age is 11 years, your mother's age is 6 times more than you, means what you will do? 11 into 6, 66. So same thing we are going to do over here. So what is mother's age? Mother's age is 6 times Shobo's age. So what will be her age? 6x. So came to know mother's age is 6 times more. Now what is done? 5 years. Shobo's age 5 years now. So after that is after 5 years, Shobo's age is equal to, after 5 years the Shobo's age will be equal to x plus 5. And mother's age is given. Mother's age will be 1/3 the present age of the mother. If Shobo's age after 5 years, if you add 5 to the Shobo's age, mother's age will be 1/3 of that Shobo's age. So mother's age 1/3 of Shobo's mother's present age. So it will be, how much it will be? 1/3 into 6x. These two will become equal. So what will be your equation? So equation will be x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 into 6x. 3 and 6x can be cancelled. How much will become? 2x. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x. So I am going to transpose. Okay. 2x to LHS and plus 5 to RHS. Okay, so what shall I take now? X minus 2x is equal to minus 5. That is minus x is equal to minus 5. Both side minus sign will get cancelled. X is equal to 5. So value of x, how much you got? 5. So what is Shobo's age? We suppose Shobo's age is equal to x is equal to 5 years. What is the mother's age we suppose? Mother's age is equal to 6x is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 years. So mother is 30 years and son is how many years? 5 years. So you came to know how to do this? Okay. Now let us move to the next problem. The next problem is regarding the grandfather. Let us see. A grandfather is 10 times. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Older than his granddaughter. Find that he is also 54 years also 54 years older than her. Find the present ages. Find the present ages. So what is given in this problem? Let us see. Grandfather and granddaughter is given. Okay. We should always remember that grandfathers are always older than the granddaughters. So the age of granddaughter should be less than grandfather while you are calculating this sum, that you should keep in mind. So what is told? Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. We don't know what the granddaughter's age. So let us suppose that let the age of granddaughter is equal to x years. Variable we don't know, always we'll suppose a variable in x. So let the age of granddaughter be x years. So how many times is grandfather? 10 times. So grandfather is 10 times then granddaughter. So what it will come? 10 times of x, so it will be 10x years. So granddaughter is x years, so grandfather is 10 times. If you are 11 years, your grandfather is 10 times your age. So that is what you have to do. So it will become how much? 10x years. So your grandfather is how many years? 10x years. And what is the next one is given? He is also 54 years older than her. If granddaughter is x years, 54, you have to add to the x years, then you will get the grandfather's age. Suppose you are 11 years, your grandfather is 40 years more than you. You have to add 40, so you will get the grandfather's age. Same is this also. So what is? Grandfather is 54 years older. So one more equation we will get. Grandfather is 54 years older than granddaughter. So you can show this as x plus 54. How much you can show it as? X plus 54. That means the grandfather's age 10x should be equal to x plus 54. That will become your equation. So what will be the equation? 10x is equal to x plus 54. See, I told you, both the sides variables are there. Both the sides variables are there. So you have to bring the right hand side variable to the left hand side. So what is the right hand side variable? X. So transpose x to the left hand side. So what you will get? 10x minus x is equal to 54. How much is 10x minus x? 9x. So 9x is equal to 54. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of x. So how much will be the value of x? So x you have to transpose. So what you have to transpose? 9. I told you when you are transposing 9 to the side, what it will become? It will go below 54. It will become the denominator of 54. So what we will get? X is equal to 54 by 9. 9 ones are 9 6 are. So x is equal to 6. Means granddaughter value is x. Her age is 6 years. Grandfather age is 10x is equal to 10 into 6 is equal to 60 years. So came to know what it is? So this is how you have to find it out. Now let us go to the next exercise which I have to do. That is the last exercise, that is exercise 3.6. So 3.6. This is also transposing method. So what does it say? First sum, 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. So look here, variables are on the same side, nothing is there, 1 is there. So what we are going to do, we are going to transpose 3x. So transpose 3x to the other side. Division is there, it will become multiplication. So So what will happen? 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x. 2 3s are how much? 6. So 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Now transpose 6x. So transpose 6x to LHS. So what we will get the angle? Minus 3 to RHS. So we are going to transpose both. Minus 3 to right hand side and 6x to the left hand side. So what shall you put when you transpose it? So you will get the 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. What is 8x minus 6x? 2x is equal to 3. So what will be x is equal to 3 by 2. So the value of x you got it as 3 by 2. So came to know how to do it. Now the next sum. So this is also the same transposing method. Second sum is z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. So we are going to do first cross multiplication. So 9 into z is equal to 4 into z plus 15. 9 into z is 9z. 4z plus 16. Now you can see we got both sides variables are there. So what should we do? 4z will transfer to the left hand side. So transposing 4z to LHS. So what we will get? 9z minus 4z is equal to 16. How much is 9 minus 4? 5. So 5z is equal to 16. Still you did not get your answer because 5 coefficient is there for the z. So I have to transpose 5 now. So transpose 5 to other side. So what do we get when you transpose 5 to the other side? You will get z is equal to 16 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2. 5 2s are 10. You got it as 12. So the value of z is 12. Now the last sum I am going to do in this exercise. That much is enough for you for this linear equations in one variable. 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to 3 by 4. Y plus 2. So what I am going to do? Cross multiply. So 4 into 7y plus 4. The next sum. Two sums we saw. Let us see now the third sum. What is the third sum given? Let us see. 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So this is given. So what shall we do now? Cross multiply. So this is called as cross multiplication. So what we will do? Minus 4 we will keep in the bracket. Y plus z cross multiply is equal to 3 in the bracket. 7y plus 4. This is called as cross multiplication. Distributive property. Minus 4 into y is how much? Minus 4y. Minus into plus is how much here? Minus. Minus 4 into 2. How much is minus 4 into 2? 8 is equal to 3 7s are 21y. 3 4s are 1. Now we have to transpose. The variable should come with variable and the constant should go with the constant. So we are going to transpose 21y from RHS to LHS and minus 8 from LHS to RHS. So transposing 21y to LHS and minus 8 to RHS. So what shall we get? Let us see. So now see what shall we get the equation now. So what will we get? Minus 4y minus 21y is equal to 12 plus 8. Minus 4y minus 21y is how much? Add and keep minus sign is minus 25. 12 plus 8 is how much? 20. So if we did not get answer, we should get the value of y. So what shall we do? We are going to transpose. So transpose minus 25 on other side. So what shall we get when we transpose minus 25? Y is equal to 20 divided by minus 25. Plus divided by minus is minus. So 20 by 25. So what shall we get? 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So we got answer y is equal to minus 4 by 5. So when you get answer, this is how we have to solve. So this is variable on both the sides. So put variable, all variable on one side and all the constant on other side. This is how we have to solve.